guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa Meghan. If you have not yet or are new to the channel, please make sure to click the subscribe button and little bell icon to be notified when I post, which is every Monday and Friday. Actually, I've been away for a little bit, but I'm back now. I was literally just sick and I had some things to do, but now I'm back. Christmas is officially in 14 days and I'm super excited. So that means that we have to start decorating. I should have already decorated, honestly, but like I said, there were certain things, but now I have time. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be decorating my room. I decorate my room every single year for Christmas because, yeah, we decorate the house, but I feel like my room just needs a little Christmas look, you know. So yeah, I put a little tree in here and it looks so cute every year and I love doing that. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I think that's all. Let's get into the video. Okay, so these are my little decorations. I have my Christmas tree here, the ornaments, and some little extra stuff. I don't have too much because I don't want to put like that much stuff in my room because then I'm going to take it all down after in a couple weeks. But yeah, wait, look how cute this sign is. It says Candy Cane Factory. This is from Target, I think. It's so cute. I had to get it. But yeah, so we're just going to be putting this stuff up. I don't know if I want my tree to go in that little corner there, or I can move that mirror and put it in that corner. I'm not sure yet where it should go, so I got to figure that out. But it's pretty tall. It's 7 feet, so we'll see. Okay, first off, I just wanted to show my outfit because I'm wearing this really cute Grinch crop top. It's so cute. It's just red flannel. It has the Grinch all over it and it says Grinch here. Isn't that so cute? Love it. The Grinch is like my favorite Christmas movie. Anyway, so I actually decided I think I'm going to put the Christmas tree here because I just feel like aesthetically it would look nice here in this like open space area. So yeah, we're going to move this mirror somewhere else for now and we're going to set it up here. Okay, so I finished like fanning out the branches of the tree. This is what it looks like. It's literally almost at the ceiling. It's so close. Anyways, it's pretty tall. It's actually 7 feet tall, so it's taller than me, but it is, it's a skinny tree, so it fits perfectly in this little corner, which is great. The only thing is that the, cord to plug it in does not reach to that outlet right there, so I'm gonna have to ask my dad for an extension cord to plug this in. But yeah, even if I put it in that corner there, the plug still isn't till it's like over there, so it wouldn't reach anyways. But yeah, so now that this is all done, I'm just going to go ahead and put all of the cute little decorations that I have on there. Okay, so now I just have a few of like the little stuff left. So I'm gonna put this little thing right here. It's a cute little stocking with my initial on it. Isn't it cute? Okay, I'm just gonna leave that there because I don't know where else to put it. And then I think I'm gonna set up this little candy cane thing here because that's so cute. My candle, I'll leave that there for now. I think I want to put something on my makeup desk here. And so this little twisted peppermint candle is gonna go right here beside the Candy Cane Factory sign. And I think that's it, honestly. And I forgot one last thing. Okay, so that is everything. Like I said, there wasn't too much stuff because I didn't want to put too much stuff and then have to take it down soon. But my room definitely looks a little bit more Christmassy now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys like a quick little look at everything and how it looks now. So that is going to be all for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me decorate my bedroom. If you did, make sure to leave a like. Christmas is coming so soon. I'm so excited. And now I have this cute little backdrop that I can take pictures and shoot videos in front of, which I'm so excited about. So the rest of my Christmas videos will be shot in front of this. Except for actually one. I have one in mind that I'm going to do that I'm super excited for that will not be in this room. But there's going to be more videos coming for the Christmas season. So if you did want to see that, make sure to click the subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!